So let's talk about Capcut. Now, Capcut is an amazing video editor that has been very popular on mobile. But what if I could tell you that you can now use Capcut on your PC? Hello, my name is Linus and welcome to Tech Select right here. Now, today's video we're just talking about how you can use Capcut, a very popular mobile phone editing application, on your computer. Now, this gives you a bigger range in what you can do with the software. Now, editing on your phone is not the first choice for many, but it's normally due to constraints because maybe you don't have the hardware, the computer and whatnot. But again, when you get a computer and open up the normal programs people use for editing like Adobe Premiere, it just looks like a whole sea of confusion. But now, Capcut has gotten a new version which allows you to use the same editor you used to on your phone over on your computer. Alright, so to get Capcut on your PC, all you have to do is go to capcut.com. That is www.capcut.com right there. Now, there are two options of how you can access Capcut on your computer. Option number one is using the web browser. As you can see it here, get started for free. Now, all you need to know is Capcut actually is a free editing software, so it is easy for you to access. Now, this online version here has got paid tiers for just if you're saving your files online. So for example, if let's say you wanted to save your edited files or your raw files for editing and you wanted to save them on the cloud storage, that is when you get to actually pay for them. But other than that, everything else is accessed free of charge. Now, on capcut.com, right there, we've clicked our go, get in for free, get started for free over here. Now, all you see is what happens is the entire Capcut editing suite gets loaded in our web browser. Now, on here, you go ahead to choose what aspect ratio you're going for, and they made it simple by showing you what exactly you're dealing with. Is it TikTok ad, YouTube, and stuff like that? So in this case, if I chose maybe TikTok over here, I'll just click create, or you can just click a blank canvas. Now, what happens here is you cannot edit the files on your PC locally because everything is running in your browser. So what you'd have to do is upload your files, as you can see here, drag and drop files from your computer. Now, what you do is drop your files over here and then they would upload to the internet or to the cloud over there, and then now you get to edit and cut and put everything that you would want from your web browser. Now, of course, it still gives you all the good effects and all that, the text, stickers, effects, transitions, all those that we've gotten used to using Capcut. All of them are easily available on the online version over there. You can see here in text, all of these favorites, trending, basic, all of these are easily available on the online version. Now, if you're the kind of person who's like me and internet is a problem, then definitely this will not be your number one go-to in terms of using Capcut. You'd want something that you can use offline, something you download to your computer once and you have it for good. So would go for the option of download for Windows. Now, on the same capcut.com, you just come here and click download for Windows. As of now, they only have a Windows option. There is nothing for Mac. Now, as you click download for Windows, the download pop-up is going to come up, and indeed the software will download. Now, it's about 333 MB give or take, so it's going to take a while for it to download. So as we're waiting for that to download, allow me to tell you about Oduka.com. Now, Oduka.com is the #1 electronics store where you can buy amazing products for your daily use. Are you looking for creative tools like microphones or ring lights? Or are you just looking for a tab for your kid to go to school, a Chromebook for your other elder one to also get his education rolling? Whatever it is you're looking for, I am pretty sure you'll get it on www.oduka.com. Now, Oduka.com offers delivery if you're in areas of Kampala, Mokono, and Wakiso. And of course, you get same-day delivery if you place in the morning and next-day delivery if you place your order in the afternoon. Remember to use promo code TechSelect as you're checking out for you to get amazing discounts on your purchase. Okay, so once it is done downloading, all you have to do is go to where you save your download files. In this particular case, mine is in downloads, and then you just get the program that you want over there and click double click it for it to install. It will bring up this over here. As you can see now, all you have to do is click agree with the terms and conditions and then click install now. Once it's done installing, it's going to go rushing, installing. As you can see there, the progress bar is going all up to 100, and then we are 99. Lags a little bit at 99 as it is finalizing everything that it's doing in the background, and eventually it will get done at 100%. So once it's at 100%, it's just going to go here and say start now. Once you click start now, it brings you this screen over here. Now this screen is what you always land on when you open Capcut. Now here there's an option for you to sign in if you already have a Capcut account, but in this case we do not have one. Now what we're going to do is just click start creating. Now this particular application, as you can see, it has loaded. It's all looking good. Now this one is running natively on my desktop. It's a full desktop and laptop application, so it's running on my Windows system, and that is what we get. Now the advantage of this is I get better computing power because my desktop is definitely stronger than my phone, and then also I get more real estate. As you can see, the size of the screen in this case is bigger. Now all here, the editing is just the same as always. All you have to do is click import a video. Now if I put my intro here, drag and drop it to the timeline down here, and then as you can see this, you can just easily scroll through your text, do the cutting, pasting, put in text and stickers and effects and transitions. Basically everything we've gotten used to with Capcut Online is now fully available on your machine. Now I should tell you that some of the filters and transitions, you would have to download them. As you can see here, like now this one, Infinite One, has got a download arrow, but of course once you download it, becomes part of your computer, it will now be resident on your machine, so that next time you want it will just easily be there. So this is done so that the installation file is not very heavy, so you only download the other assets that you necessarily need during your editing process. So that is it over there. And if you're now done making all your changes and all that, let's say if we put a sticker on here, for instance, if I put this sticker, just drag it over there and put it at the top there. So now you see my video now has a sticker. If I moved it over to the center here, so my video starts with a black and then a nice sticker laughing in the middle, and then you can rearrange that, stretch it over. Now if I am done with that, for example, all I have to do is hit export. Now the added advantage of running this on your PC is Capcut on your computer will allow you edit and work and even export in 4K, but in this case our raw file is not a 4K file, so we're just going to go with the usual 1080p. So you can change all these options here, the codec, the format, the frame rate, all these things can easily be changed, and we're not going to tamper with any of those. So we'll just hit put where I would want it to put it to export to. We're going to choose desktop and then just hit export. Now as you can see, very fast over there, nice thing. I like the way it is very, very fast in exporting, and everything is done exporting. Now another thing here is it can say your video is exported, you can post it. Now within this very application on Capcut, it allows you to post it to wherever it is you're pushing. If you're pushing it to YouTube, there it would go, or if you're pushing it to TikTok, it will just open the site directly for you. Now on YouTube here, it has gone ahead and opened my creator studio, and on TikTok, and it's asking me to log in. So that's also an added advantage with Capcut, in that everything just gets in-house for you and right there. So here is something that is really amazing. I'm looking forward to using this here for a while. I'm going to ditch my usual editing software and try to use Capcut for a while and see just how easy or how hard is it to use as a daily runner. So that's it. That's how you can get Capcut, which you're used to on your phone, over on your computer. And I must say, it gives it an added advantage in that you have more real estate now. You have, a bigger screen for you to work with, and you have a lot more power, as your PC is way, more powerful than your phone. So something really worth for you to check out. If you loved this video and this kind of content, go right and hit the subscription bell and the notification bell so that you are alerted each time I drop brand new content on this here channel. But for today, allow me to say bye-bye, and I shall see you in the next video.